Ever wondered who's at the helm of Lunar Capital, the company making waves in the investment world? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep to uncover the identity and the story behind the CEO of this intriguing firm. Lunar Capital. The name itself evokes a sense of ambition, reaching for the stars, just like their investment strategies. But who are the visionaries guiding this celestial journey? What drives them? What makes Lunar Capital unique? At the heart of Lunar Capital lies Ken Clausen, a figure who has captivated the investment community with their mentioned key qualities, e.g., innovative approach, sharp intellect, bold vision. They possess a unique blend of mention-specific skills, e.g., financial acumen, entrepreneurial spirit, deep industry knowledge. Highlighting achievements, keep it concise and impactful. Ken Clausen's leadership has propelled Lunar Capital to mention key achievements, e.g., significant investment returns, groundbreaking deals, industry recognition. Under their guidance, the firm has mentioned specific accomplishments, e.g., built a diverse portfolio, cultivated a strong investor network, fostered a culture of innovation. Delving deeper, personality and approach. Ken Clausen is not just a financial expert, they are a visionary leader, passionate advocate, skilled communicator. Their approach to investing is characterized by mention key aspects of their investment philosophy, e.g., long-term perspective, focus on sustainable growth, emphasis on disruptive technologies. Humanizing the CEO, relatable aspects. Beyond the boardroom, Ken Clausen is known for supporting charitable causes, mentoring young professionals, pursuing personal passions. This well-rounded personality provides valuable insights into their leadership style and values. The Lunar Capital Advantage unique selling proposition. What sets Lunar Capital apart? A key factor is Ken Clausen's ability to mention specific strengths, e.g., identify emerging trends, build high-performing teams, navigate complex market conditions. This, coupled with their mention company culture, e.g., data-driven approach, collaborative environment, commitment to excellence, creates a powerful synergy that drives success. Looking ahead, future vision. With Ken Clausen at the helm, Lunar Capital is poised for continued growth and innovation. They envision a future where mention future goals, e.g., expanding into new markets, developing cutting-edge investment products, driving positive social impact. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.